Hope you're having a great day. Today we're talking about Hyliion. What is going to happen with the future of Hyliion, where the stock is going, and the stock forecast for 2021. So let's hop straight into it. If you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you smash that subscribe button. Also smash that like button as it helps promote my content to other people that wouldn't be able to see it. Now we can see Hyliion. I said and made a video that it is undervalued, and I still believe that to be so. We see it dropped on Friday all the way 5%, which is good news for me. I'm just keep on buying the stock. I can't get enough of it. We see the month chart. It's slowly taking a decline and a dip all the way down to 28 or 27, excuse me. Now, I've seen so many people say that you should wait to buy this stock at around 20. But the reason why I'm kind of averaging down is because I don't want something to happen with this company to where I miss out on the upsides. So I believe in this company long term. So I'm willing to average cost down with the stock. Now, let's go into what you guys are all waiting for, the stock forecast. Now, I really like this article, and I'll link it down below so you guys can see Hyliion merger sealed 2021 forecast and beyond. Now, we can see a bullish side and a bearish side, which I really like because it doesn't just give you one opinion about the stock. Now, analysts are relatively bullish on Hyliion come 2021 and beyond. For example, wallet investors forecast Hyliion to reach 112 and Now, what I really like about this article is that it's double-sided. There's a bullish side and there's a bearish side. It's not just one opinion. We see analysts are relatively bullish on Hyliion come 2021. Wallet investors forecast Hyliion to reach anywhere between $112 and $717. Now, if that was true, that would translate to 278% and 2,300% gain if it got to $717. Now, we see the products. Hyliion's product pipeline is different from other EV company trucks. And the reason why I like Hyliion is because they have a retrofit business model where they make the powertrain engine for fleets to incorporate into pre-built trucks. So they're not just making their own trucks yet. Hyliion two main products include the hybrid electric drivetrain and the hybrid truck ERX solution. So the product distinctions allow Hyliion's products to capture a unique segment in the market. This is huge for me because I see like NIO chasing Tesla, doing the same thing when Hyliion is in their own little category. And when people start to pick up on how crazy this company actually is, I see that the stock will go insane in the future. Now, we see in contrast, Hyliion is serving the fleet market, such as JB Hands, Amazon, and UPS. Great companies, guys. Not to mention that Hyliion is traveling down the renewable natural gas route. Bullish investors interpret Hyliion's unique product offering to mean a growing market share come 2021. Now, what I think is crazy is their revenue projections. Their revenue is supposed to hit, their forecast is $344 million in 2022. $1 billion, so triple that by 2023. And by 2024, double that again. And they're saying they're going to be $2 billion company. Now that growth is just unreal. When you see something like that and the forecasts of just doubling every year, it just reminds me of stocks like Tesla, like NIO. Their forecasts are so high with their revenue projections. If you invest in this company now, and let's say they're worth $2 billion by 2024, imagine the upside of this stock. Overall, the strong revenue growth suggests Hyliion is well positioned to receive price-sensitive contract orders and capitalize on the growing EV industry. And EV is just going to grow and grow and grow and grow. We are moving towards electric vehicles. They are so much better, whether it's cost efficient, whether it's better for the environment. There's so many different things that these EV companies have to offer, and that is why I am very bullish on the EV sector. Now, Thomas Healy is also, I think he's 28 years old, which gives me very, very good perspective because he wants it. He has the drive and he is willing to get it done, kind of like Elon Musk with Tesla. They'll do anything to see their companies succeed. Now, we want to also look at the bear side of Tesla. Now, a lot of people are saying that a minor criticism is the lack of social media presence because Thomas Healy holds, in comparison to Twitter, EV giants Elon Musk and Trevor Milton. They're not, Thomas Healy isn't really worried about, projecting different things on his Twitter, tweeting about the new things about companies, which that can be pretty scary for retail investors because we don't really have news every day of certain things to bump up the stock price. As we see for Tesla, some news come out and the stock price absolutely flies when Elon Musk tweets, but that can also be a positive thing as well. While there's an imbalance, Healy is ramping up the number of interviews though, which is very, very good. If you check out on YouTube on TD Ameritrade, he has a great interview about where this company is going, and I really highly recommend that you go check it out. Overall, it remains a minor criticism for now, but something that will be likely fixed. Now, that's not too bad. If all the problem is him not talking really about the company, and that's what the Bears have to say, that's a pretty good thing. And we can see right here's the interview. I'm not going to play it. It's about 7 minutes, but I can put a link down in the description for you guys. Now, the Bears also say, despite the hype around the stock, Hyliion does have a few gaping holes in their financial scoreboard. These include, obviously, negative operating cash flow, a lack of profitability, and insignificant revenue levels. But we see so many of these EV companies are not profitable. We look at, Workhorse, NIO, tons of different companies that are just getting started, but just wait till they're profitable. Right? Because when they're profitable and they just keep going with their revenue projections, the stock is going to go insane. So you guys can kind of look at the bearish side. I just kind of wanted to touch on it a little bit. I'm a bull with this company, and all I want to see is this stock rise because I highly believe it. And I also want to hear from you guys. Let me know in the comments how you feel about Hyliion, what you're looking at, and what your projections are. I see by 2021, this stock easily being $50, $60, $70, maybe even $100. Honestly, I am that confident in Hyliion's success. Other than that, guys, that's it from me. Peace.